Honk for Japan. That's 3. How many we got? Like 7?
Yes.
Yeah.
Does that count as 2?
2. Yeah. Each honk. It's per honk. That's 2.
Yeah, we got another one. Yeah, one more. Oh, I got 3 there.
Great.
Hey, get the mini. Get the mini.
Come on, Mini.
Yeah. That counts as 1.
Counts as... Oh, that's not good.
21, 22, 23, 23, 24, stop it, 26. Okay.
What are you at?
I think we're about 80 now.
80.
Did you count all 26 honks?
I tried, but I kind of got frantic.
6 more.
7, 8.
That person loves Japan.
It's a wave.
Hey, count 2 for the train.
Oh yeah, go
3.
train!
Go train.
4. 2. Your shell.
Like 10. We'll go 6 then.
I want Ryan Higa. I want Ryan Higa to watch this. Hey, look, they're back. They turned around and did it.
They keep driving them down.
They're just gonna keep coming back.
They'll just keep coming back, dude.
He came back too. I love you.
There's a Jeep, get the Jeep.
Go on, Jeep. 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 Beep, beep, Jeep, Jeep. Go beep, beep, Jeep, Jeep. Ooh. And he's got a beard, so you know he's cool. Well, he can. Hey, look, it's back. It's coming back. This is the 3rd time. Austin.
Come on, when?
Right there. He came back again. Hey, is that the same people driving Browns again? What are they doing? I mean, we don't want to.
6.
7. 7. 8. Maybe it's her period.
Yeah, it's her time of the month.
We received 176 honks. We'll be donating $176 to the Red Cross.